In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo header in WordPress. If you want to update the branding of your website, changing the header logo is one of the quickest ways to do it. This is especially useful if you've redesigned your brand, created a cleaner logo file, or just want your site header to look more professional and consistent. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website content, design, and settings. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu where all the main website options are listed. From there, click on Appearance. This section is where WordPress keeps most of the visual customization tools for your site. Depending on your theme, the layout may look slightly different, but for this process, we'll follow the built-in editor options available here. Next, click on Editor. This opens the site editing area where you can manage parts of your website's design, including the header. If your theme supports full site editing, this is where you'll be able to access branding elements like your logo and site identity settings. Once you're inside the editor, click on Identity. This section controls the main branding details for your website. In many WordPress setups, this includes things like the site title, tagline, and logo. Since we're focusing on the header logo, this is the area you want. Now click on Site Logo. This tells WordPress that you want to edit the logo currently being used in the header area. If a logo is already there, this step lets you replace it. If there isn't one yet, this is where you can add it for the first time. After that, click on Choose Logo. This will open the media selection window where you can either upload a new logo file from your computer or choose one that's already in your media library. A helpful tip here is to use a high quality image with a transparent background, usually a PNG, so it blends nicely into your header. Then select a logo. Click on the image you want to use and WordPress will apply it as your site logo. Before finishing, take a moment to make sure the image looks clear, properly sized, and aligned well in the header. If it appears too large or too small, you may need to use a version of the logo that fits better visually. And that's it. You've now changed the header logo in WordPress. This small update can make a big difference in how polished and recognizable your site looks.